Today we're going to install the stock airbox on this 2012 Honda Civic Si. Alright, so I just removed the aftermarket K&N intake that this had. Now we're going to install the stock airbox for smog purposes. Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and start with this bottom piece. I went ahead and took off the upper piece off of it. We're going to go ahead and insert this one right in here. Oh, look, it has acuity bushings already. Nice. We're going to go ahead and insert this in here. And that's going to latch right in there. And as we're latching that in, we're going to go ahead and plug in this hose right in here. Alright, so I have that in there already. Now I'm going to grab the original bolt that goes into place here. Right in here. Secure that down with a 10mm. Alright, there it is. Now let's go ahead and, before we put our upper piece, let's go ahead and put in this this piping here. This is going to go like this here, into the case, into the intake, into here, and right into there. So let me go ahead and put those in, and we'll put the metal clamps into place, and that should be a wrap. Alright, there it is. Everything is back into its place, there and there, except for these, just caught that. So let me just move these clamps up here. Alright, there it is. Now we're ready to put this upper piece. This is going to slide right into place like so, and then secure it down here, and this one down there. Let's go ahead and slide this into place here, into the throttle body. Perfect. And then we'll put in this piping right in here. I'm going to go ahead and clamp this down and press in that pipe. Alright, now we'll use a Phillips screwdriver to secure this bracket down, or this clamp. And there it is. She's ready for smog. And that is how you throw the stock airbox back into this 2012 or a 9th gen Honda Civic Si. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.